Hiya, Ben here from the Maths Centre at City College Plymouth. Little trick for you today to help you remember pi. Hopefully it will make learning pi as easy as pi. So, if you think of a sentence, how I wish I could calculate pi. This sentence can help us remember pi just by counting the letters in each word. So if we think of how, we get 3, then we've got a decimal place and a 1 for I, which gives us a 4, the other I gives us another 1, could gives us 5, calculate gives us 9, and pi gives us 2, so then we can remember pi to 6 decimal places as 3.141592, easy as pi. See you in the next video.